Hey Thomas, it's Charlie Slater from the BBC here. I understand you're doing a weather project for your homework, so let me tell you a little bit about how we do all of this. I have a conference with the Met Office at 4:45 in the morning. No doubt you're still asleep at that time. Tell me all about how the day is going to go, and then I have a look at these graphics that you can see behind me here. Now actually that's a little bit of a trick, because actually behind me is nothing but a blue wall. But when I have clever directors and producers like Ben King, who sat there at the moment, I can click my fingers and it comes back on again like that. Now the temperature's today about 15 or 16 degrees Celsius. It feels quite warm in the sunshine, and here's the reason why. You notice these little white dots that are spotted around the screen there? Those indicate the wind speed. Very small numbers today as well, so hardly any wind speed, so it should feel quite pleasant out there in that sunshine. We then go through to tonight. I've got this little clicker in my hand here, which is what is allowing me to make my way through the days like that. Overnight tonight, clear sky overhead. Basically that means that because of the clear sky, there's nothing up there cloud-wise to trap the heat in. So the heat can escape and those temperatures will of course fall. So the temperatures that you see there in yellow dots there, that is the temperatures in your towns and cities where it's always a little bit milder. Out in the countryside, colder than that, maybe down as low as about 4 or 5 degrees, because we've not got that sort of insulating blanket, that kind of duvet that traps the heat in. Then tomorrow daytime, it's a bright start. You can see this sort of grey area moving in. That's cloud. That cloud is going to prevent the temperatures from getting too high tomorrow. And plus, notice these little white dots here as well. They've now got slightly higher numbers in, so it means it's going to be a little bit windier as we go through the daytime, and it's coming from the east-northeast, which is getting to be quite cold at this time of year, which is why those temperatures are a little bit colder tomorrow than what they are today. This is quite a complicated one. This is called pressure. High pressure is good. It settles the weather down. It means that it's not too windy and it's going to be largely dry. Low pressure, which you can see dotted around at times as well, isn't so good. It means it's going to be wet and it might be windy at times as well. But going through the next few days, this is the outlook. So it shows us Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, slowly going to get colder. But the good news is that area of high pressure I showed you, the one that was down there, that is going to move up towards us and it'll see the weather settle down as well. I hope that's been useful for you, Tom. I hope everything goes well with your weather projects as well and the teachers give you a good grade. They should do.